Get ready for a rapid-fire update on what's moving the needle. We're diving into the stories that matter, the trends that are shaping tomorrow, and the insights you absolutely cannot miss. From smart home upgrades to the future of global markets, the news cycle never sleeps, and neither do we. Stick around, because you're about to get the inside scoop on everything you need to know right now. We've got a fantastic lineup for you today, so let's get straight to it. First up is your sleep setup ready for a major upgrade. Then, we're shifting gears to the world of finance and investment, exploring whether a tech giant's strategic moves in a massive international market could be the key to unlocking significant stock performance. Next, we're diving deep into the latest financial reports and AI advancements from a major player, analyzing what it all means for the company's valuation and future trajectory. And finally, a critical safety alert for anyone on the road, especially those sharing the asphalt with motorcycles. We're breaking down some potentially dangerous advice that's reportedly circulating and why it's crucial to get this right. Don't go anywhere, you're watching Amazon Insights, and it's time to get informed. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Sleep smarter, save bigger. Good sleep hygiene is more than just a relaxing routine. It's increasingly about the quality of the air you breathe. As more people recognize the benefits of clean air for better sleep, reduced allergens, and waking up refreshed, air purifiers are becoming a popular addition to bedrooms. If you're looking to enhance your nighttime environment, Amazon's Labor Day sale presents a fantastic opportunity to snag the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Compact Pro at a significant discount. This particular air purifier stands out not only for its compact design, suitable for spaces up to 250 square feet, but also for its innovative filter system. Unlike traditional air purifiers that require frequent and costly filter replacements, the Shark NeverChange model is designed to eliminate this recurring expense, offering long-term savings and convenience. This makes it a highly cost-effective choice for improving air quality in bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, or nurseries. Adding a touch of personality to functionality, the purifier is available in 10 different colors, including vibrant options like pink, purple, and green, allowing it to complement your personal style or room decor. Originally priced at $149.99, it's currently available for $129.99, marking a $20 saving during the Amazon Labor Day sale, which runs from August 22nd through Labor Day on September 1st. For those considering Amazon Prime, a week-long trial is available for just $1.99, after which the monthly subscription is $14.99, offering benefits like free shipping and access to streaming services. Ready for a deep dive into market movements? Next, we're exploring strategic global expansions and their potential impact on stock performance. Amazon's Global Gambit, decoding stock potential in India. For those invested in or considering Amazon stock, the current market sentiment is a blend of optimism and careful observation. Amazon shares have seen a notable climb, with a 30.4% increase over the past year and an impressive 76.3% return over the last 3 years, positioning it as a strong long-term performer. This robust performance occurs amidst ongoing discussions about the company's future strategies and market positioning. Driving this positive momentum is Amazon's aggressive expansion strategy, particularly its significant push into India. The company is actively engaging with the Indian government to secure more direct access to sellers, making new investments in the grocery sector, and reportedly planning a revamp of its Fire tablets with Android integration. These initiatives highlight Amazon's commitment to pursuing growth opportunities and leveraging its vast scale to navigate challenging global trade conditions. Investors are responding favorably to this adaptability, recognizing Amazon's continuous efforts to remain relevant and competitive in a dynamic market. From a valuation standpoint, Amazon presents a mixed picture. Its value score of 3 out of 6 suggests it meets half of the key undervaluation criteria, warranting both optimism and caution. To better understand its market position, analysts employ various valuation methods. The discounted cash flow (DCF) model, which projects future cash flows and discounts them to present value, offers a data-driven assessment of Amazon's intrinsic worth. With a current free cash flow of $37.6 billion and projected growth to $138.5 billion by 2029, the DCF model indicates an intrinsic value of $276.52 per share, suggesting the stock is approximately 17.2% undervalued based on its future cash-generating capabilities. Another key metric, the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, reveals that Amazon's current PE of 34.6x is above the multi-line retail industry average of 22.7x, but below its close peers' average of 58x. This suggests a premium valuation, reflecting its dominant market position and growth prospects. However, a tailored fair ratio of 43.7x, which accounts for Amazon's specific growth, scale, and risk profile, indicates that the stock may still be undervalued, as its current PE is below this benchmark. This suggests the market might not be fully appreciating its earnings power. For investors seeking a more personalized valuation approach, the Narratives tool allows for scenario-based analysis, with fair value estimates ranging from $151 to $434 per share, depending on revenue growth and margin assumptions. Currently, some narratives suggest Amazon is undervalued, while others indicate it is slightly overvalued, highlighting the subjective nature of future projections. Considering these financial insights, what's next for this tech giant? We're now examining its latest earnings and AI advancements to see how they shape its valuation. Amazon's AI surge and earnings beat, a valuation deep dive. Amazon.com, AMZN, has recently captured significant market attention, driven by stronger-than-expected quarterly earnings and its strategic expansion into generative AI. The company has reported robust growth in its retail and advertising sectors, while its Amazon Web Services (Oz) division has shown steady performance, easing concerns about cloud computing momentum. Notable partnerships, such as the one with Westloop Strategy to modernize cloud customers with generative AI and business intelligence, underscore Amazon's continuous innovation. The market's reaction to these developments has been largely positive, with Amazon's stock appreciating by 30% over the past year, outperforming many industry peers. Despite a slight cooling in recent weeks, the long-term upward trend remains strong, fueled by ongoing ventures in healthcare, streaming, and AI-driven analytics. These strategic moves indicate Amazon's focus on high-growth areas and its response to increasing competitive pressures. A key question for investors is whether this strong performance and strategic positioning still leave room for future upside, or if the current stock price already reflects anticipated growth. Analyst perspectives offer varied insights into Amazon's valuation. One narrative suggests the stock is currently trading just above its estimated fair value. This view stems from the company's aggressive reinvestment strategy, which, despite impressive core business profits, is projected to limit near-term free cash flows. For instance, while Amazon generated $46 billion in operating cash flow in 2022, its free cash flow was $16 billion due to a substantial $58 billion investment in property, plant, and equipment, PPE, which includes software development and leasehold improvements. This substantial investment in PPE highlights Amazon's commitment to long-term growth and market dominance. However, this aggressive capital deployment, coupled with bold forecasts for revenue growth and operating margins, leads to a valuation that some analysts consider potentially overvalued, with a fair value estimate of $222.55. Such valuations are sensitive to assumptions about future market conditions, competitive threats, and regulatory environments. Conversely, other analytical models, such as the SWS DCF model, present a different outlook. This approach, which focuses on future cash flows, suggests that Amazon shares might actually be undervalued. This contrast underscores the different methodologies and assumptions used in financial analysis, particularly when forecasting for a company with Amazon's scale and complexity. Potential risks, such as regulatory crackdowns or a prolonged economic recession, could also impact Amazon's growth trajectory and challenge even the most optimistic financial forecasts. With these differing financial viewpoints, what's the critical safety message emerging? Next, we're addressing a potentially dangerous piece of advice circulating among delivery drivers regarding motorcycle safety. Amazon delivery driver, advice sparks motorcycle safety concerns. Navigating urban traffic requires constant vigilance and adherence to safe following distances, a principle well established in driving and riding education. While specific regulations may vary by region, the general consensus emphasizes maintaining adequate space to react to sudden changes. In Illinois, for example, the rules of the road manual advises drivers to allow at least 3 to 4 seconds of following distance behind a motorcycle. This guideline acknowledges that motorcycles, due to their need for balance and quicker stopping capabilities under certain conditions, require more space and consideration than cars. The manual further notes that motorcycles react differently to road and weather conditions, and riders may exhibit unpredictable maneuvers to maintain balance. These factors necessitate greater awareness from drivers. Cars and trucks, unlike two-wheeled vehicles, possess inherent stability and do not require constant rider input to remain upright. This fundamental difference underscores the need for drivers to provide motorcycles with ample room. A recent concerning post on the R Motorcycles subreddit highlighted a screenshot allegedly from Amazon delivery driver training. This purported material suggests an official Amazon recommendation for drivers to maintain a following distance of just 4 feet behind a motorcycle. This advice, if accurate, is deeply problematic. 4 feet is an extremely short distance, even at slow speeds, and significantly increases the risk of collision, particularly in emergency braking situations. This distance is shorter than the height of many adults, illustrating how little room it provides for reaction or maneuverability. While the source of the screenshot is unverified and the internet is prone to misinformation, the potential implications are severe. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, in the U.S. defines following too closely as a situation where a driver cannot avoid a collision even with attentiveness if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Although FMCSA regulations typically apply to larger commercial vehicles, the principle of safe following distances is universally critical. The FMCSA's entry-level driver training, ELDT regulations, implemented in February 2022, aim to standardize training for commercial drivers. Amazon partners with certified training providers, including Ancora, for its driver education. Ride Apart has reached out to Amazon for clarification on their official training protocols regarding following distances. Regardless of Amazon's official stance, the safety message for all drivers, including delivery personnel, is clear. Maintain a significantly larger following distance behind motorcycles. 4 feet is dangerously insufficient and could lead to severe injury or fatality. Providing motorcyclists with adequate space is not just a courtesy. It is a critical safety measure that benefits both the rider and the driver. Prioritizing safety by increasing following distances can prevent tragic accidents and ensure a safer road environment for everyone. That critical safety reminder brings us to the end of our updates. Let's quickly recap the top stories and give you the full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's insights. We covered a great deal, from smart home tech to market analysis and crucial road safety. Don't miss out on future updates, like this video, subscribe to Amazon Insights, and hit that notification bell. Follow us on social media for more, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay informed, stay ahead.